guys, and welcome back. I haven't filmed a makeup video in a really long time, but I wanted to start my spring makeup Sunday series. So I figured I'd sit down today. It is 7:45 in the evening, and I'm going to apply some makeup for you guys. I'm going to do one of the looks that I'm often wearing on my channel. It's like a single eyeshadow look. You can pretty much pair it with any lip color you want. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I want to try and get a makeup video up every Sunday throughout the season of spring. Thank you guys for watching, and let's just go ahead and get started. I look pretty rough today. Just like, I don't know, I look and feel kind of rough today. But let's start with some primer. I'm going to use the Poreless Putty Primer. Oh, actually, before that, I want to quickly use some of this e.l.f. Hydra Gel Mist. I don't have too much left, and they don't even sell it anymore. I just want to use it up. So, pretty much whenever I do throw on makeup, or even on days when I don't wear makeup, sometimes I just put this gel mist on so I can kind of use it up and toss it into my empties bin. I am so close to finishing this. It's just like bothering me that there's so much left. And then I am applying some of the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer in the T-zone area of my face. By the way, I already kind of did my eyebrows. I didn't do them very well, but that's okay. I'm not doing anything tonight, obviously. I'm just putting on makeup for the fun of it, so you'll have to excuse these eyebrows. So I think I'm going to actually go in with my Garnier BB cream. This is their 5-in-1 Miracle Skin Perfector in the shade Light Medium. I haven't used it in a while, but it was part of my April makeup drawer, like my April makeup stash. And since I rarely wear makeup these days, when I do film a video, I should just try and put some makeup on so that I'm actually using the products that are in my collection. I just feel kind of bad because I have so much makeup and I'm not wearing it. At least not as often. Like if I was going into the office still, I would totally be wearing these products more, like every day pretty much, but because of working from home and the situation we're in still, this past year I've been very minimal with my makeup. This is a really nice BB cream though. If you're looking for something that's gonna work with oilier skin or even just normal skin, I really like this BB cream. It's probably one of the best BB creams that I've tried from the drugstore. I think the color might be a bit off, or it's looking kind of pale on camera. In the mirror, it doesn't look too bad, but it's definitely looking a little bit too pale for me now. It has been so sunny here. For the past week, we have been so lucky. Like, we've been getting record-breaking spring highs, 20 degrees, 24, 25 degrees, which is so crazy, but I've been basically spending as much time as I can in the sun. And then, unfortunately, I've been getting a little bit sunburned. I always burn, like, the first sunny day in spring, so it was kind of to be expected, but my face is looking a little reddish. I'm just applying my usual concealer, which is the XX Revolution concealer. This is probably the last month that I'll be reaching for this one because I think I'm gonna have to go for a deeper concealer in May. Okay, I'm going to apply some blush. This is the Milani Cheek Kiss Liquid Blush in the shade Pink Flirt. Kind of dotted on quite a bit of color, but it's okay. I really love blush, especially in the springtime. I just think it's so beautiful and fresh and youthful looking, so I don't mind wearing a lot of blush. Although it's not helping with my red skin to be adding on so much pink. And to set my face today, I'm going to go in with this Rimmel Insta Fix and Matte, which I'm almost done. That's good news because June is when I do the next video in my Pandemonium series, and I have made little to no progress on finishing up my products. This one I'm doing okay though, like I'm almost done it. I just applied it everywhere because of the BB cream. I want to make sure it's set on my face nicely, even though I'm not doing anything tonight. I'm just going to be probably crocheting and maybe editing a video. I'm going to go in with the bronzer from this Wet n Wild duo. Another one of my products that I am attempting to finish up before June. Although I have made pretty good progress on this one, almost finished, so I don't think I'll make it by June, but I am pretty close to finishing up that bronzer. Finally, it's taken literally years. I'm going to spritz my face with the Milani Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. Oh my gosh, this spray is also like basically out and it's not really squirting out of the bottle very well, so I just got like huge droplets on my face. I'm gonna let this kind of dry on my skin and then we'll go in and do the eyes. Okay, eyes are very, very simple. I'm gonna basically take a brown eyeliner and line my eyes with it. I think I recently did a look like this actually on my channel. I don't know now when I did it, but I basically line the upper and the lower lash line, and then I'm going to take a small kind of flat shader brush. I don't know what I'm saying. Like one of these types of brushes, and I'm going to just blend it out so that there's no harshness or jagged lines. Like I just want it to kind of be not a clean liner, like I want it to be kind of blended and not super smooth, but I don't want it to be jagged. So I basically lined the upper and the lower lash line, smudged it out. And I really love brown eyeliner in the spring. I just think it's a little bit softer, not as intimidating or intense as like a black, even though I love black eyeliner. But in the springtime, I kind of like softer makeup looks, something that's not too intense. And I kind of, because I do wear a lot of brighter lips or like more corally, pinkier lips in the springtime. So I like to keep the eyes more like simple and not as intense. Then after I've kind of smudged that out, I'm going to take this beautiful shadow that I love so much. It's the ColourPop Ritz eyeshadow, and every time I wear this or have it on my eyes, somebody in the comments asks me what is on my lids, and it's always Ritz. It's just the most beautiful, sparkly, sheer eyeshadow, and I just think it's perfect for the spring because it is soft. It adds some glitter without being too much. Like it just adds a very light wash, like sheer glitter to your lids. I apply it kind of sloppily because I don't really need it to be precise, but I am just going to take a shader, not shader, what am I saying? A blending brush and just kind of smooth out the edges a bit because I don't want the crease to be like any weird gaps in the shadow or anything. I went a little bit too much on this side. I have glitter everywhere. That is like the eye look. It's so simple and I just think it's so effective. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and pop on some mascara and then we are done. Well, no, the lips, and then we're done. I zoomed you guys up a little bit so you can see the eye look a little bit more up close. Hopefully the glitter is shining through and you guys can see the sheerness of it. Actually, maybe I'll zoom you up a little bit more. Okay, now hopefully you can see the glitter on the eyes. It's just so beautiful. I love it. I actually forgot about this lipstick and then I didn't include it in my April makeup I'm wearing video or in my April makeup stash, but I really should have because I've been wearing it so often, and it's the Revlon Glass Shine lipstick in the shade Beaming Strawberry. I forgot how much I love this lipstick. in the springtime. Like I pretty much only wear it in the spring, but that completes this spring makeup look. So that sums up this video. This is the spring look that I came up with of that Ritz shadow. Like if you're gonna pick up any of the ColourPop Super Shocks, you have to pick up Ritz. Like, it's so beautiful. I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but in person and in real life, it just really, I just love it. I can't stop wearing it. Every time that I'm actually wearing makeup, I've been throwing on this eye look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Let me know what you guys thought. Let me know what types of spring makeup looks you want. I'm open to suggestions and trying out different colors or monochromatic looks if you like. Just let me know. This is pretty much my go-to spring look, so I don't really have any other looks in mind. So I'm definitely open for your guys's requests. Other than that, thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, and I'll see you in my next one.